last class in this topic we discussed about different feeding habits observed in various animals. Today we'll discuss about breathing in this topic. Breathing. Animals breathe in oxygen from the atmosphere and give out carbon dioxide. Different animals have different ways of breathing. Humans and land animals have lungs. Oxygen from the atmosphere is taken in and carbon dioxide from the body is given out. Breathing in animals involve two different processes, that is inhalation and exhalation. Inhalation means taking in oxygen. This process is known as inhalation. Exhalation means giving out carbon dioxide from the body is known as exhalation. Now next is about fishes. Fishes, they have gills and fins in their body. Fishes, they live in water. They breathe through gills. In the process of exchange of gases, water is taken in the mouth. As the water passes over the gills, the oxygen dissolved in water is taken in. Carbon dioxide from the body passes out into the water, which flows out finally. Animals such as whales and dolphins, they live in water, but they have lungs to breathe. Insects such as cockroach and grasshoppers breathe through tiny openings in the body. These openings are called spiracles. The spiracles opens into air tubes which forms a network inside the insect's body. Oxygen from the air reaches every part of the body. Similarly, carbon dioxide is given out through these spiracles. Earthworms, they breathe through their moist skin. Frogs live both on land and in water, so they are called amphibians. Frogs breathe through lungs when on land and breathe through moist skin when in water. So that's all about different ways of breathing in different animals.
Hope you like this video. Thank you.